In this video, I'm going to show you how to find duplicates in your Google worksheet. So if you want to find duplicate records or numbers in your sheet, then what we need to do is first select the columns on the sheet like so. Click on Format in the top navigation and select Conditional Formatting. Next to Format Cells If, select the drop-down arrow and scroll down to the bottom and click on Custom Formula Is. And then in this search box here, we're just going to type out the following. =, count if, open in brackets, a semicolon, A1, closing brackets, less than sign, and the number 1. And I'll leave this statement in the video description so you can just come and copy and paste this. And you can see by typing in this formula, it's going to list all of the duplicates in our spreadsheet. And you can change the color of this as well by clicking on the fill color, and we can make all of the duplicates red, for example. And once you finish, just click done. And let's say now we wanted to delete all of the duplicate entries in our spreadsheet. Well, you could do that as well by clicking on data in the top navigation, clicking on data cleanup and selecting remove duplicates. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you find duplicates in your Google spreadsheet. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.